अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। डिफरेंस बिटवीन हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर। A computer system is divided into two categories: hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical and visible components of the system, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. Software, on the other hand, refers to a set of instructions which enable the hardware to perform a specific set of tasks. The software must be installed in the hardware to function properly, and similarly, and hardware must be present for the task to be performed. Both are independent, yet they are also different from each other. This article will bring you the important difference between hardware and software, which will be helpful for computer awareness sections of multiple government examples. Check the post on computer knowledge for more. Aspirants can also gain more information on computers by reading articles linked below. Fundamental of computers, important computers, related terms, components of computers, input and output devices, types of computer, computer abbreviation. Hardware is further divided into four main categories: input devices, output devices, secondary storage devices, internal components. Software is further divided into main categories: application software, system software. Developed using electronic and other materials. Developing writing using instruction using a programming language. When damages, it can be replaced with a new component. When damages, it can be installed once more using a backup copy. Hardware is physical in nature, and hence one can touch and see hardware. The software cannot be physically touched but still can be used and seen. Hardware cannot be infected by virus. The software can be infected by virus. Hardware will physically wear out over time. Software does not wear out, but it can be affected by bugs and glitches. An example of hardware is hardware drives, monitors, CPU, scanners, printers. An example of software is Windows 10, Adobe Photoshop, Google Chrome, etc. Read more about the terms used to table above. Computer virus, difference between virus and malware. Microsoft Windows. Candidate can check important computer software and hardware question on the given link to practice. Both hardware and software are covered under the Science and Technology segment of the UPSC exam. To learn about the topics in the segment, aspirant can refer to the following: Science and Technology Notes for UPSC, How to Approach Science and Technology for UPSC, UPSC MCQs for Science and Technology Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Software is a program and routines for a computer or the program materials for an electronic device which make it run. An example of software is Excel and Windows or iTunes. Word processing programs and internet browsers are example of software. Hardware refers to a physical elements of a computer, also referred to as the machinery or the equipment of the hardware. Examples of hardware is keyboard, monitors, and mouse for the processing unit. However, most of the computer hardware cannot be seen inside the computer case. What is the effect of virus on hardware and software? Hardware is not affected by computer viruses versus software gets majorly impacted by the virus. Hardware is mainly classified into four main categories that are input devices, output devices, storage, and internal components. It is mainly of two types, and that is system software and application software. For more UPSC exam related preparation materials, visit the following link down. Hope you like my video. Allah Hafiz.